Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to export your audio to MP3 using Adobe Audition. In View format, navigate to File and then Export, and select File or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E. On the Export window, change the file name and save location. Click the arrow icon next to Format and choose MP3 Audio from the drop-down menu. Keep the sample rate and format settings as they are. Where you estimated file before exporting. In the multi-track view, go to File, then Export, and select Multi-track Mixdown, and choose either Select Clips or Entire Session. Adjust the file name, save location, and change the format to MP3. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.